How do you build an audience? It's a tough challenge that anyone who creates a website has to overcome. On this episode of Breakdown, we're going to take a look at how you can use forms to generate leads and grow your website. Welcome to Breakdown, where we break down the things that help you build. My name's Dustin, and today we're breaking down lead generation. First, what is a lead? A lead is simply someone interested in your product or service. Even if you just run a simple blog, the content you post is your product. Generating leads is crucial to building an audience and growing your website. But where do you even begin? How do you turn a lead into an active user of your website or product? One of the best places to start is with the lead generation form. Let's take a look at some examples.
The Gravity Forms template library has several lead generating form templates that you can download and install on your WordPress site for free. A link to the template library can be found in the video description. Let's start with a simple contact form. Contact forms are one of the most common types of forms you'll find on almost any website. They're a great way to build relationships with visitors to your site by giving them a way to get in touch with you. Gravity Forms comes integrated with customer relationship management and email marketing add-ons such as HubSpot and MailChimp, which let you easily track and manage your leads. Contact forms are a great place to start the lead generation process. Another great way is with a newsletter sign-up form. Newsletter sign-up forms can be an excellent way to build relationships with your audience, no matter what kind of website you run. Newsletters give you the chance to reach out to your users and engage with them directly, and in turn promote traffic back to your site. When a visitor to your site signs up for your newsletter, you can have them automatically added to an email list so they are included in your next newsletter by default. Newsletters help promote site engagement by keeping users in the loop on all of the awesome stuff happening on your website. They are a great way to help turn leads into active users of your site.
Generating and managing leads is fundamental to the growth and success of your website. It's one of the most important things to think about as you build your site. Throughout this series, we're going to take a look at every aspect that goes into building a successful website. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss an episode. And if you want to get started building a contact form, you can check out our 2-minute build video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching this episode of Breakdown.